Hey guys, eCorg here with a quick review and demo of Stanley's 1200 amp peak jump starter power station. My Costco power station lasted about 5 years and I replaced it with this power station from Walmart. This is great to have in an emergency. It has jumper cables. It has the connector to charge its battery. It has an AC power outlet. It has an LED light. It has 3 USB ports to charge your electronics. It has a rugged exterior and a carrying handle because power station weighs about 17 pounds. Now what I like about the air compressor, because you can set the PSI to whatever you want and it'll shut off at that target pressure setting, so it saves a lot of time and energy and removes the inconvenience of switching back and forth with your tire gauge. It does not come with a cord to charge it with here, but so you can just use your home cord. This is about 6 to 8 feet in length. It does take about 8 to 12 hours to charge it, so that's another thing I don't like. It is kind of long. However, it is a good buy-in value for $99. That's why I bought it. If you like this video, please subscribe.